And now for the award ceremony for the Crest Jane Goodall Science Symposium. We'll begin with the ISEF Regional Special Awards. Our first award is the Outstanding Project in Atmospheric Science, sponsored by the American Meteorological Society. They award a certificate of outstanding achievement for creative scientific endeavor in the areas of atmospheric and related oceanic and hydrological sciences. Each year, the AMS publishes the names of science fair winners in the December issue of the Bulletin of the American Meteorological Society. This year, our winners are Cameron Lau and Evelyn Knight, and Sophie Yonker. Our next award is the Outstanding Project in Psychology, sponsored by the American Psychological Association. This award includes a certificate recognizing outstanding research in the category of behavioral and social sciences or any category related to psychology. This year, our winners are Madeline Santoso and Ava Seacrest. Up next is our most outstanding exhibit in materials science. The project that receives this award demonstrates exceptional use of materials-related concepts in some aspect of the materials paradigm, structure, processing, properties, and performance relationships. The winner of this award receives a certificate and a ribbon. This year, our winners are Linnea Collette and Jaden Sherry. Our next award is the Award for Geoscience Excellence. The female recipients of this award receive a certificate, which recognizes projects that, in the opinion of judges, exemplify the high standards and innovativeness and scientific excellence in the geosciences. The winner is Hionia Afonen. The next award is the Biophysics Award. The Biophysics Award, sponsored by the Biophysical Society, applies the power of physics, chemistry, and math to understanding health, preventing disease, and inventing cures. The recipient of this award receives a certificate and $100. Our winners are Anish Goswami. The next award, the Mu Alpha Theta Award certificate, is for the individual or group project that demonstrates the most challenging, original, thorough, and creative investigation of a problem involving mathematics. This year's winners are Cameron Lau and Evelyn Knight. The next award is the NASA Earth Systems Science Award. This award certificate is given to the project that best demonstrates insight into Earth's interconnected systems. The project incorporates studies of the different components of Earth systems, their interactions, and their evolution over time. Our award winners are Chaya Valuri and Alexis Gessler. The next award is the Taking the Pulse of the Planet Award. This award honors one project selected from among all the general award categories whose research emphasizes NOAA's mission of science, service, and stewardship to understand and predict changes in climate, weather, oceans, and coasts, to share that knowledge and information with others, and to conserve and manage coastal and marine ecosystems and resources. This year's award winner is Hayden Weyerman and Caitlin Pelletier and Mabel Napick. The next award is the Naval Science and Engineering Award, which recognizes 4 exceptional projects. The Office of Naval Research is pleased to support the education of future scientists and engineers of America and presents each project with a $50 gift certificate. Our award winners are Mithun Karthikeyan, Ava Seacrest, Maura Schramm, and Ayushi Malik. Our next award is the Excellence in Scientific Research in Environmental Health. This award, sponsored by the Oregon Environmental Health Association, recognizes a student who helps promote environmental health and safety with a certificate and $60. The award winner is Grace Sato. The next award is the Sustainable Development Award. Ricoh USA provides a certificate which recognizes projects that demonstrate a technical innovation that offers the greatest potential for increasing our ability to grow environmentally friendly and socially responsible businesses. This year, our winners are Riley Heinonen and Avery McCurry and Kalia Reckenberg. Our next award is the Outstanding Achievement for Ability and Creativity in Vitro Biology Award. This award recognizes the best 11th grade student exhibiting in the areas of plant or animal in vitro biology or tissue culture. A formal letter of congratulations will be sent, and publicity of the winner's achievements will be included in the Society's online newsletter. This year, our winners are Benjamin McClelland, Benjamin Pinoli, and Jacob McClelland. The next award is the USAID Science Champion Award. The U.S. Agency for International Development is pleased to offer one Science Champion Award certificate to recognize an exceptional project that has the potential to make an impact on addressing international development challenges. This year, our winners are Kalia Reckenberg and Yaya Kiss. The next award is the Best Use of the Metric System Award, sponsored by the U.S. Metric Association. It is a certificate to recognize the project that has used metric measures and expresses those measures consistently and correctly. This year, our winners are Isabella Scalise and Angelina Scalise and Aditi Bhaskar. The next award is Outstanding Science or Engineering Fair Project, sponsored by the U.S. Air Force. The Air Force Research Laboratory is proud to support science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. This certificate recognizes projects with Air Force applicability in science and technology. This year, our winners are Jahan Jia and Wenwen Q and Jacob Connor. Our next award is the U.S. Regional Stockholm Junior Water Prize. The Stockholm Junior Water Prize, sponsored by the Water Environment Federation, is awarded to the best water-related project at the fair. It is aimed at enhancing the quality of life through improvement in water quality, water resource management, or water and wastewater treatment. The recipients of this prize get a certificate, a free year-long membership to the WEF, and the opportunity to apply to the state-level WEF competition. Our winners are Anna Nielsen and Sophia Nielsen, Jacob Rice, Sophie Yonker, Hayden Wireman, Grace Sato, and Jack Cunningham and Lorelei Cunningham. The next award is the Yale Science and Engineering Association Most Outstanding 11th Grade Exhibit Project. Yale offers a certificate and a medallion awarded to the two best 11th grade computer science, engineering, physics, or chemistry projects. This year, our winners are Ahmed Zaidan and Jacob Rice. Now on to the CREST Special Awards. Our first CREST Special Award is the Best Project Display. The Best Project Display is organized, lacks errors, draws readers in, and is comprehensive. This year, in our new digital format, the winners are Isabella Scalise and Angelina Scalise, and Linnea Collette and Jaden Sherry. Our next award is the Noteworthy Logbook. The Noteworthy Logbook contains documentation of a project's process from beginning to end, and evidence that the logbook has been used throughout the project. Logbook documentation of thought process, of student inspiration, and trials and tribulations for all phases of the project is important. This year, our winner is Uma Grover. The next award is the Green Chemistry Award, which recognizes a project that has addressed the area of sustainable chemistry with emphasis on reducing chemical waste or remediating hazardous substances. This year, our winner is Bo Dixon. The next award is the Promising Young Scientist. This award goes to the 9th grade students who present thoughtful, well-conducted experiments that show promise of greater things to come. Each project that receives this award wins a $25 check made possible thanks to generous support from community members. Our winners are Haley Ray Newbor and Emmeline Staten, Bodie Holland, Devin Laguerre, and Jameson Holgren, Timothy Wieland, Bo Dixon, Natalie Jones and Natalie Smith, Caroline Nielsen, Cassidy Jorg, and Sophia Levesque. The Best Experimental Design Award is given to the project which demonstrates the best practices of experimental design. This award comes with a $25 cash prize from a generous community partner. Our winners are Sarah Gordon and Sophie Gordon. The next award is the Most Creative Project Idea. The Most Creative Project Award goes to a project that takes a unique approach to solving a scientific or technical problem and makes use of readily available materials to collect data or address a need. This award comes with a $25 cash prize from a generous community sponsor. Our winners are Cameron Lau and Evelyn Knight. The next award is the Intelligent Machines Award. It recognizes a student who visually and verbally conveys how their project involving intelligent machines or artificial intelligence will improve the human experience. This award comes with a $25 cash prize from an anonymous community partner. Our winner is Anish Goswami. The next award is the Paul Sherman Award for Enthusiasm. The students who receive the Paul Sherman Award express passion and enthusiasm for their project in scientific and/or engineering research. The winners receive a $25 gift card to Powell's Books. This year, our winners are Cassidy Jorg and Sophia Levesque, Caroline Nielsen, and Timothy Wieland. The next award is the Best Use of Statistical Analysis Award, which recognizes a student who conveys an exceptional understanding and interpretation of the results of their statistical analyses. The two projects who receive the certificate also receive a brand new Texas Instruments 84 graphing rechargeable calculator. Our winners are Masha Galtseva and Yaya Kiss. The next award is the Best Multi-Disciplinary Research Award, which is given to a project that demonstrates outstanding achievement, combining two or more distinct scientific or engineering disciplines, synthesizing these different perspectives to provide a more whole system approach to a problem. The project that receives this award gets a certificate and $125, thanks to an anonymous community partner. The winner is Nathan Rumsey. The next award is the Women in Engineering Award. This award is given to a project that demonstrates excellence in applied engineering in any field by a female student. This award comes with a $125 gift certificate, thanks to a generous community sponsor. Our winners are Linnea Colette and Jaden Sherry. We are now on to the very special awards. This year, our very special awards include an OSU General Scholarship. Oregon State University recognizes 2 exceptional students in any category with a scholarship. This scholarship is a $2,000 one-time general scholarship, and this year it is being awarded to Zoe Black and Avery McCormick. We'll now proceed on to the category awards. This year, in the category of behavioral science, we viewed and celebrate the work of Masha Galtseva, Julianne Ellsworth, Savannah Staten, Addison Sabota, Ava Sechrist, Peyton Miller, Ella Weeks, Lucinda Fine, Alexis Nord, Madeline Santoso, Jeffrey Fang, and Summer Tan. The honorable mention in behavioral science goes to Julianne Ellsworth and Savannah Staten. The third place award in behavioral science goes to Masha Galtseva. The second place award in behavioral science goes to Summer Tan and Jeffrey Fang. And finally, the first place in behavioral science goes to Madeline Santoso. Congratulations to all students who competed in the behavioral science category. Our next category is computer sciences and robotics. This year, our competitors were Nathan Rumsey, Ayushi Malik, Lorelei Cunningham, Jack Cunningham, Jacob Connor, and Anish Goswami. The honorable mention in this category goes to Jacob Connor. Third place in computer science and robotics goes to Ayushi Malik. Second place goes to Nathan Rumsey. And finally, first place in computer sciences and robotics goes to Anish Goswami. Congratulations all who competed in computer sciences and robotics. Our next category is environmental and earth sciences. Our competitors were Anna Nielsen, Sophia Nielsen, Mabel Napick, Caitlin Pelletier, Ellie Counts, Timothy Wieland, Chaya Valuri, Sophie Yonker, Kalia Reckenberg, Evelyn Knight, and Cameron Lau. The honorable mention in environmental and earth sciences goes to Kalia Reckenberg. Third place in environmental and earth sciences goes to Cameron Lau and Evelyn Knight. Second place in environmental and earth sciences goes to Ellie Counts. And finally, first place in the category of environmental and earth sciences goes to Anna Nielsen and Sophia Nielsen. Congratulations all. Our next category is energy and environmental engineering. The students competing in this field were Grace Sato, Uma Grover, Zoe Black, Avery McCormick, Hayden Wireman, Jacob Rice, Sophia Levesque, Cassidy Yorg, Aditi Bhaskar, and Hyonya Afanan. Our honorable mention goes to Cassidy Yorg and Sophia Levesque. Third place is awarded to Uma Grover. Second place is awarded to Grace Sato. And finally, first place in the category of energy and environmental engineering goes to Aditi Bhaskar. Congratulations. The next category is electrical and mechanical engineering. Our competitors were Ahmed Zaidan, Thomas Ullman, Oakland Hill, Jesse Hayworth, Bodie Holland, Jameson Holgren, Devin Laguerre, Cooper Berggren, Cade Holland, Drayton Nims, and Thomas Pierce. The honorable mention in this category goes to Bodie Holland, Devin Laguerre, and Jameson Holgren. Third place is awarded to Ahmed Zaidan. Second place is awarded to Drayton Nims and Thomas Pierce. And finally, first place in the category of electrical and mechanical engineering is awarded to Cooper Berggren and Cade Holland. Congratulations to all competitors in electrical and mechanical engineering. Our next category is bioengineering and materials science. Our competitors were Anna Lay, Laura Smith, Linnea Collette, Jaden Sherry, Haley Ray Newbor, and Emmeline Staten. Third place in this category goes to Laura Smith and Anna Lay. Second place is awarded to Haley Ray Newbor and Emmeline Staten. And finally, first place in the category of bioengineering and materials science goes to Linnea Collette and Jaden Sherry. Our next category is life sciences, and our participants this year were Mithun Karthikeyan, Sarah Hardwick. Actually, let's start this over because my mouse is sitting right in the middle of the screen. Your screen. Okay, here we go.
I don't see it.
you can't see it, but I'm sure, but it may come through on mine. So,
all right.
The next category is life sciences. This year, our competitors were Mithun Karthikeyan, Sarah Hardwick, Riley Heinonen, Avery McCurry, Sarah Gordon, Sophia Gordon, Kasara Fitzke, Yaya Kiss, Carly Shanklin, Alexis Gessler, Dina Rosa Biggs, Nicole Beltman, Jessica Connor, and Bo Dixon. The honorable mention in this category goes to Dina Rosa Biggs. Third place in this category is awarded to Jessica Connor and Nicole Beltman. Second place in this category goes to Mithun Karthikeyan. And finally, first place in the category of life sciences goes to Yaya Kiss. Congratulations to all who competed in life sciences. And our competitors in the category of medicine and health sciences were Melania Kitsis, Koharu Sakiyama, Evgenia Kitsis, Gracelyn Dunham, Natalie Jones, Natalie Smith, Noah Eddy, Nolan Rapp, Sarthak Samir Asita, and Olivia Tenio. The honorable mention in this category goes to Gracelyn Dunham. Third place in this category goes to Koharu Sakiyama. Second place is awarded to Olivia Tenio. And finally, first place in the category of medicine and health sciences goes to Nolan Rapp and Sarthak Samir Asita. In the invertebrate and in vitro biology category, our competitors were Caroline Nielsen, Ashley Chan, Kendall McDonald, Kari Veik, Paul Liu, Noor Shaheen, Madeline Bellandine, Audrey Kehoe, Allison Keller, Kiara Gia, Wenwen Q, Alice Kang, Jacob McClelland, Benjamin McClelland, Benjamin Panoli, Isabella Scalise, Angelina Scalise, and Maura Schramm. And the honorable mention in this category goes to Alice Kang. Third place in this category is awarded to Maura Schramm. Second place in this category is awarded to Isabella Scalise and Angelina Scalise. And finally, first place in the category of invertebrate and in vitro biology goes to Benjamin McClelland, Benjamin Panoli, and Jacob McClelland. Congratulations all. That concludes our category awards. Now we will announce the team advancing to the Northwest Science Expo. These students have been selected to represent our district at the state level science fair, the Northwest Science Expo. At this fair, our students will have the opportunity to compete for additional scholarships, prizes, and recognition. Our winners are Masha Galtseva, Julianne Ellsworth and Savannah Staten, Madeline Santoso, Summer Tan and Jeffrey Fang, Nathan Rumsey, Ayushi Malik, Jacob Connor, Anish Goswami, Laura Smith and Anna Lay, Linnea Collette and Jaden Sherry, Haley Ray Newbor and Emmeline Staten, Ahmed Zaidan, Bodie Holland, Devin Laguerre, and Jameson Holgren, Cooper Berggren and Cade Holland, Drayton Nims and Thomas Pierce, Grace Sato, Uma Grover, Cassidy Yorg and Sophia Levesque, Aditi Bhaskar, Alice Kang, Benjamin McClelland, Benjamin Pinoli, and Jacob McClelland, Isabella Scalise and Angelina Scalise, Maura Schramm, Mithun Karthikeyan, Yaya Kiss, Dina Rosa Biggs, Jessica Connor and Nicole Beltman, Koharu Sakiyama, Gracelyn Dunham, Nolan Rapp and Sartak Samir Asita, Olivia Tenio, Anna Nielsen and Sophia Nielsen, Ellie Counts, Kalia Reckenberg, and finally Cameron Lau and Evelyn Knight. We look forward to competing with you on April 9th, 2021 at the Northwest Science Expo. And finally, now for those advancing to the Regeneron International Science and Engineering Fair, a gathering of more than 1,500 students from around the world to share and celebrate the magic of discovery and invention. Students nominated to ISEF are the best that our regional fair has to offer, and they will represent the Westland Wilsonville School District on the international stage. They will join Team Oregon, and we will cheer you on as you compete for hundreds of thousands of dollars in scholarship and cash prizes, as well as recognition by global organizations. And finally, the best of fair winners are Anish Goswami, Aditi Bhaskar, Madeline Santoso, and Linnea Collette and Jaden Sherry. So many congratulations to all of our science fair competitors. May we all join together to celebrate the 4 projects moving on to the International Science and Engineering Fair.